face, you will have 800 in my channel.
Dude, in my channel too, bro. Why? You know
And
how?
also his channel.
You know what happened? My sister subscribed to his channel. Now he has 10 subscribers. I'm screwed. I ain't ready for this, man.
So yeah, I'll show you Drew's face.
There you go. So yeah, this is my face. Why, Gabby? Why did you?
Gabby betrayed you.
Gabby betrayed me, bro.
That's a 1 point for you.
Gabby, you want me to shoot here? I want me to shoot here.
Oh, would you like to? Or would you like me
So yeah,
in the ball?
I'm watching the next week when I make another video.
Okay.
Hey, can you check on this channel how many subscribers? How many does he have? I forgot.
Okay, let me just check his.
So yeah, that's my question.